What's up, YouTube? Today, cooking steaks. Well, a steak. I'm not really sure what type of steak it is, but where my pops right there.
For this?
Ask me, checking out, see what
just a little bit.
I'm cooking.
Like grease on first.
You see, I got the onions I'm cutting. I usually cut
Just a
like
slight
that.
bit.
I'm trying to hurry up, but
Depending on how I want to cook it.
I won't prefer you to cut.
I will use. Sometimes I use butter, but it don't really be cooking. Depending on what I use, it don't really be
You
cooking.
got your record on the cake, okay? Chef A. Druto AG.
Then I got the green pepper. Take out the bag. Cut. That's just the inside that I cut out that you shouldn't cook. They say not to cook. This is just me stabbing or poking up the steak for more flavor to get inside the steak and then cook more evenly. I do it on both sides. This is the seasonings I choose to use, steak seasoning. Evenly spread it out throughout the whole steak. Garlic powder, garlic salt, evenly spread it. Black pepper, evenly spread. Seasoning salt. Now you see what I say. I forgot what it's called. I don't really use it as much, but I decided to use it this time. Now grab the fork, press it down, the seasonings, flavor to go inside the steak more. Them little holes and stuff that I stabbed up, and I flip it. Boom. Do the next side the same way. Same order. Here goes the seasonings I use, just in case y'all didn't see. Then I add the olive oil, avocado oil, my pan. I go me trying to light the stove. That's it be hard sometimes, especially with holding my phone. Then me doing the lid. Hopefully, that came off kind of easy. I am kind of new at this, so please mind the angles. Me, personally, I add the green peppers and onions at the bottom of the steak and on top. And I also put them in first to make sure the grease is actually hot enough. Evenly spread it so it can match the steak. Grab the steak. And I'll also cut it into those little slits like that too. What I am about to do not try this at home, even though I'm doing this at home. I prefer not to try. This is me setting up the phone without stop recording, without me stop the recording and then put, you know what I'm trying to say. This is me grabbing the steak, putting the onions and green peppers under the steak evenly, making sure all the seasonings and juices get inside the steak evenly. That's all I'm pretty much doing. Me showing y'all and flipping to one side. Here's the very top. On this clip, I do put the phone down again. Put some on the side real quick for me to flip it on the other side. Just me flipping, putting on the other side. Removing the steak and the green peppers and onions over. This is what it looks like when it's almost done. It's one side, the other side looks just like it. It's a little bit more cooked. So I do end up clipping it. I'm not going to show what I put that on no video. I know it's a little foggy because it is hot in the kitchen. This is what it looked like when it's done. This is me cutting the steak. As you see, I already cut it once, but that was when the camera wasn't rolling. It's not too crunchy, it's not just right. That's what it looked like when it's done.